I've been in business 4 years and spent $0 on lawyers. Instead, I use Claude to draft and review every contract. That saved me from 3 major disputes that could have cost over $20,000. Today, I'll share my exact system so you can protect your small business with AI contracts without paying $500 an hour legal fees. Over 90% of business disputes come from unclear or missing contracts. Yet, 65% of small business owners either skip contracts completely or rely on generic templates that don't protect them. Meanwhile, hiring a lawyer for standard agreements costs an average of $500 an hour, often totaling thousands for simple documents. This leaves business owners exposed to lawsuits, missed payments, and costly misunderstandings. Ignoring legal protection can cost you $20,000 or more per dispute, a financial hit many can't survive. AI like Claude can draft customized, legally sound contracts for zero cost, erasing this pain and risk almost instantly. I've used Claude exclusively for all my contracts over 4 years, saving more than $20,000 in legal fees and avoiding costly disputes. My clients report 80% fewer payment issues after using AI-generated agreements. This isn't theory. It's a proven system that replaces expensive lawyers for standard business contracts, delivering legally sound protection for small businesses and solopreneurs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 5 contracts every business must have and how Claude drafts them for you. You'll master the client agreement prompt that prevents 80% of payment disputes. I'll show you how to create fast NDAs, partnership, and contractor agreements in under 6 minutes. Finally, you'll learn how to review contracts sent to you, spotting red flags instantly with AI. This system gives you legal protection without the high cost. Step 1. Identify the 5 critical contracts every business needs: client agreement, NDA, partnership agreement, contractor agreement, and sales terms. Claude drafts every one of these with precision. Start by opening Claude and inputting your business specifics using my prompt templates. These contracts cover 90% of common disputes by clearly defining roles, payment terms, and confidentiality. Skipping this step means risking costly disagreements. Claude's AI quickly tailors each contract to your jurisdiction and business type, making legal protection affordable and accessible. Step 2. Use Claude's client agreement prompt designed to lock down your payment terms and scope clearly. Input your service details, timeline, and payment schedule. Claude structures it with enforceable clauses that the courts recognize. This prompt prevents 80% of payment disputes by explicitly stating what's owed and by when. If you skip this, clients can claim vague terms or delay payment, costing you cash flow. The mechanism: Claude's trained legal knowledge ensures your contract is clear, detailed, and unambiguous, reducing chances for conflict dramatically. Step 3. Generate NDAs, partnership, and contractor agreements with Claude in under 6 minutes each. For example, I recently used Claude to create an NDA for a new vendor, customized, tight, and legally sound. Claude asked for the parties involved, confidential info definition, and duration, then output a full NDA ready to sign. Partnership agreements clarify ownership and profit sharing, while contractor agreements set work scope and IP rights. Using Claude's targeted prompts guarantees completeness and legal strength. This step prevents misunderstandings and protects your intellectual property and relationships. Step 4. Use Claude to review contracts sent to you. Paste the text and ask Claude to highlight risky clauses like excessive indemnity, unclear termination terms, or hidden fees. AI identifies these red flags in seconds, so you don't get blindsided. This system connects all your contracts into one workflow: draft, review, and refine. While Claude can't replace a lawyer for complex deals, it empowers you to catch obvious risks before signing, saving you from costly pitfalls. When you implement this Claude-powered system, you eliminate guesswork and protect your business with ironclad contracts. You'll reduce costly disputes by over 80%, maintain consistent cash flow, and build stronger client and partner relationships. You avoid spending thousands on lawyers for standard contracts, freeing budget for growth. Imagine confidently signing agreements, knowing AI has your back, saving you time, money, and stress while scaling your business legally and securely. Ready to protect your business with AI contracts? Comment legal below now to get my free Claude Business Starter Kit. It includes 25 copy-paste prompts so you can start drafting and reviewing legally sound contracts today. No lawyers, no expensive fees. Take this one action and empower your small business with the ultimate AI legal toolkit.